The Wild Boar and the Fox. Long, long ago, when hunting was passion among humans, a fox was returning home after failing to find the prey he had been wandering about for the whole day. I am sick and tired of finding some food for me in my house. The forest creatures have gotten some brains into themselves, so they are becoming professionals in hiding. The fox said to himself. On his way back home, he saw a strong wild boar sharpening his tusk with the help of the bark of a tree. Wow! I wonder why this boar is sharpening his tusk when there are no hunters around. This fox was a bit nosy and was absolutely anxious to know why the wild boar was sharpening his tusk. The fox thought for a while but could not get a conclusion. He decided to go to the wild boar and ask the reason behind it. He made his way towards the wild boar who did not notice him. The fox said, "Good evening, Mr. Boar. I want to ask you something." To this, the boar said, "Yes, Mr. Fox. Please continue." The fox, being given his chance, jumped at the opportunity. He asked, "Mr. Boar, why are you sharpening your tusk now when there are no hunters around?" "Mr. Fox, we live in a forest which has danger at every step. Then what is the use of digging a well when a fire is already broken out? Who knows when I have to face my enemies? If I don't sharpen my tusk now, I may not get the time to sharpen it later, when I need it the most," replied the boar. Hearing this, the fox got embarrassed. As a result, he ran out from there and had learned the lesson from the boar.